In order to understand better this orthopedic percutaneous activity, we propose some experimental protocols. This one is in real situation, and we have 4 views in our film. The first view is fixed above the operating surgery table. The second view is the observer. The third is the surgeon with one eye tracker. And finally, we have a view with the last radiography generated. With this protocol, we identify some key activity for the learning. The first one is to set the fluoroscopic device and generate the radiography. And like we can see in this video, they move and they validate the position with the radiography. The second activity is to draw cutaneous marker using a ruler and also validate it with the radio. The other important activity is the position and orient the surgical tool on the body. And finally, we can observe that they insert the surgical tool on the body and validate the gesture by haptic information, but also by the radio information. And the other last activity is to inject the cement on the body, but we don't design this part on our simulator. We propose a simulator where the student is upright and she can interact with the tool through a haptic interface or mouse interface. The visual interface has some parts. The first one is the 3D content model and tool, the patient model. The second is the group manipulation and control. And the other one is where we can see the last radiography and the before last radiography. The simulator feature come from the identified learning situation, like for example self-fluoroscopy device or insert the surgical tool. The teleos architecture is composed by a set of agents, simulator, web lesson, and clinical case interact with the learner. Diagnosis use the trace from the simulator in order to propose a knowledge diagnosis, and didactical decision propose the best feedback in relation to the result of the diagnosis. In relation to the simulator, it builds the 3D model from DICOM format, the real patient data, and this 3D model is used for 3 kinds of feedback: the visual feedback, the haptic feedback, and also the epistemic feedback. The visual feedback proposes 3 kinds of view: the skin view, the bone view, and the radiography view. For the epistemic feedback, we propose the semantic data coming from the simulator. To do that, we segmented the 2D DICOM with the semantic part.